Hey everyone, welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. It has been a very long time and I am so excited to be back filming and showing you guys all of my crafting stuff. Today we are going to be planning for the week of August 3rd through the 9th using this Wonderland B6 kit from ReddHeadStickers for an ice cream theme. I am still congested. As you can tell by my voice, I am getting over or still having a sinus infection. I've been consistently sick since I started my new job, and I am trying very hard to get rid of it, but that's just the life of working with children and working with preschoolers. So yeah, I'll talk more about my job in a minute, but this is what we have for this week in my planner. I'm very excited to use this, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. I have missed you guys so much. I feel like I have not been filming at all with you guys in quite a while, and I really do miss you. I miss planning and being on camera and showing you guys how I plan things out, and I am so sorry that I have not been active. Like I said, I've been very, very sick, and I don't know. I don't know what is going on with my body. I'm just rejecting all of the, I don't know, I guess I'm just rejecting everything that my body has been trying to do to get rid of this cold. But I think it's just because this is my first year working with preschool kids, and I've heard that this does happen, that you do get the preschool sickies, and you are just, you know, dealing with the preschool sickies forever. So love that, but I've been getting better and enjoying my job a little bit more. It is definitely harder than I thought it would be. Not that I thought working with preschool kids would be easy, but it's definitely very challenging, and I am very grateful that in a month I will be going on vacation and relaxing and, you know, rejuvenating. That's not what I wanted to say. Getting my body better. getting my relaxation, and I don't know why I say getting my body better. Getting my relaxation and being able to refresh. That's the word I'm looking for. Refresh myself. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's what's been happening. That's why you guys haven't really been seeing me. It's because I have been trying desperately to just kick this cold in the butt, and it's just not been working, and I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I don't know what's been happening with it, but I'm starting, question mark, to get better. I'm not 100% sure if I'm getting better or not. I feel better, if that helps. I'm just so frustrated because I want to be my best all the time, and I just keep getting sneezed on and coughed on, and I'm like, stop it, please. So yeah, I really do like, you know, working with the kids and everything. It's just definitely different than what I've done before, so it's a big learning curve, and it's taking some getting used to. So I was planning on only taking 2 weeks off, and then I got sick. I actually got food poisoning 1 week, and then I got bronchitis. Guys, I just got all of it. I got, my first week there, I was very sick. I got like the preschool sickies immediately. And then the next week, I got bronchitis. I think I still have bronchitis, unfortunately. Then the next week, I got food poisoning. And then I've been battling this sinus infection for about a week and a half. And I think it's getting better. God, I hope it's getting better. It's been a lot. It's been a lot of change and a lot of things to re-center myself with, I guess is what I'm saying. I've just been trying to get back in the groove get back into filming. I just kicked the camera. Are we surprised? Probably not. I don't know. I'm just trying to be better at, you know, being on time with things, and I don't know. It's been very difficult this week. Let's just say that. Let's just say that it's been very difficult these past few weeks for me to get myself back on track. So finally, I think I'm finally getting there and able to push through and get myself to be in a better position and a better me so that I can be active on socials and, you know, active doing what I want to and seeing you guys and just, I don't know. I'm feeling like I'm doing better. I hope I'm doing better at least. I think I want the purple to be for here, which means it's going to be green and blue. So my theme for this week is ice cream and summer, because summer is almost over. We're about to enter the Halloween and fall season here in Orlando. So Halloween Horror Nights is starting again. I do not go to Halloween Horror Nights because I do not do horror, but I do like all of the Halloween festivities in Disney. I've been to Disney once since I've been back, and that was the week that I ended up getting food poisoning. So that was fun. But, oh, I wanted this to be for these. I'll have to fix this. I went to see Fantasmic, which was a big smile. I love Fantasmic, and I did post on my Instagram story. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you kind of know what's been happening with me. There's been a lot of changes in the PRs that I've been in. A lot of shops have closed or temporarily closed. And then I've just been, like I said, battling my sinus infections and all the sicknesses that I've been having. So it's been a lot, and I'm finally happy to be back and feeling better and doing better, and just, I miss crafting with you guys. I miss talking to you. So what have we been up to? What has been happening? I think I'm going to add some of these here just for fun. Oh, you know what I can do with this is I can use the new calendars that Sammy Lynn Planning has released, and I can use that to track if there's anything coming out. Okay, the 3rd is going to be the monthly bundle sneak peek, and then the 7th, which is Friday, is the monthly bundle release. So we are going to move this sticker down a little bit so that I have room for that. Oops, too close. There we go. And I think I'm just going to leave these two here for funsies. But for these sneak peeks, I think I'm going to use the 2 greens. So let's put it up here. And then, oh, I can't use the green there, but I can use the other pink, so that's fine. I can use the pink. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, and then I want to add some of these boxes because I just feel like we need some happy. Let's add, I don't want to do green, let's add blue. Okay. I'm going to add all of these circles because I think they are fun, and I'm trying to use up everything that I can in this kit. do green and blue. Let's put purple. Here we're gonna switch. We're gonna do pink here. We're gonna do green down here. That looks good. Okay. So, could do green and blue. I'm gonna do purple here and pink here. And then we can use these leftovers the other days. So, do purple and green. You know what? We can do green and pink, right? Might as well. I like that. Okay, and then I do have the Sammy Lynn Planning Facebook post that I do need to make sure that I have a space for. So, I can put that right here. I probably should use the pink box for that though. I'm just now thinking of that, and I think that would be better so that it's not just like awkwardly sitting here. All better, see? Okay, so there's that, and then we're gonna put this pink one right there. See, there we go, that balances it out. Okay, and I think I'm gonna do the green title up here. I feel like that is probably good. And then I think the last thing I'm gonna do is take these polka dots, or these dots, and make them little polka dots all around the planner, because I feel like that will add a cute little fun thing, you know? I don't know, I feel like it's cute. Kind of like having little colors everywhere. I think that's adds to the whimsiness and the fun to the spread. I hope you guys are having a good start to your August. I hope that you had a good summer and that everything has been going well for you. I miss talking to you guys. I hope that you guys have missed me, and I can't wait to hear about your summer. Do you have any plans for the month of August? And if you do, what are they? I want to know. You guys know that I am super nosy, and I like to hear what everybody is up to. So let me know what your plans are. Oops, well, I just lost that purple. It just flew right away. Do you have anything exciting planned for the week back to school? If you guys are going back to school, when are you starting? Are you happy about starting back to school? Are you unhappy? Are you excited? Is it anybody's like last year at school? I know that Gail at the Planning Girl, she is ending her school time at the end of this school year, and I'm very excited for her, and I'm sure she's very happy to be retiring. And yeah, so I think that this spread is all done. I do love the polka dots that I added here. Just wish I could find that purple one that I lost, because it would go great on the spread, like right here, but it's fine. So that is it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I decorated my planner, and I hope that you missed me as much as I miss you guys. I will be, if it's not already up, I will be having a video showing you how I've decorated my planner spreads in the past few weeks. So this was for the week of, as you can see, it's not been filled out, but this is for the week of Harry Potter's birthday, which is on the 31st, which was Friday. And then I did a boba tea spread the previous week, and then I did a, so this is, as you can see, this is the week I was planning on coming back, and then I got sick again. I did this spread, And I don't remember if I showed you this spread, if I did a video on it, but this was using the Genovia kit from Leonard Designs. So that is the spread, and I definitely didn't show you this, but I did do just a random spread. So I wanted you to see, you know, the spreads that I have been doing, and I will be showing you guys a flip through of all of the other spreads that I've been doing so you guys can see how I've been decorating my planner. But my plan is, when you guys see next week's video, like this week's coming up, you'll see all of my after the pins, and you'll be able to see how I've been doing it, because I want to start getting back into doing that. And like I said, I've been getting into the swing of things. So anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. If you are new and you want to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of content on my channel. I am back. I'm so sorry I've been so behind, and I will be uploading stuff very soon. So keep an eye out. If it's not going to be all this week, it will be between this week and next week. So keep your eyes out. I miss you guys. I love you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.